Hey everyone, it's Jesse here from callaction.co. So what is the quality of your database or CRM? The reason why I'm asking this is I was just recently rereading Gary Keller's very famous book, Millionaire Real Estate Agent. So on page 141, one of the things that he talks about in here, I think is a very critical key. So what he basically mentions in here is building up the number of names in your database and a relationship with those names is the very core of what building a real estate business is about. The size of your real estate business will be in direct proportion to the size and quality of your database. Now, I highlight basically the word quality because this is important. Many of us, we work with a ton of real estate agents and teams, and we see lots and lots of people that have massive databases, and the size is there, but the quality is not. So what do we mean by quality of the database? So first, I would venture to say it's the quality of the data that's inside of it. Are you actually putting in the best leads inside of that database? Is everything getting logged in? Are your sign calls getting logged into that database in real time? Are all of your inbound phone calls being logged in? Because if they're not, you're actually missing the highest quality lead that you have. Or is your database made up of a bunch of email leads and home valuations that you don't know if the emails work, or you haven't validated those emails and you haven't checked basically into those relationships? Because the value of the database is basically nurturing those relationships and having conversations with those people in there. So first, it starts with data integrity. Do you have all of the correct information in there? Are you logging in all of the best leads? So you want to make sure that every so often you're going through your database, you're cleaning out all of your emails, managing your subscription lists, because if you're not, then you're losing lots of opportunities and you're confusing the size of your database with the quality of your database. You'd be much better off having a small database, really high quality with deep relationships, than a massive database of just names and phone numbers. So ultimately, that's what I kind of wanted to talk about, is make sure that you have the systems in place, because also on this page 141, what basically Gary is talking about in terms of building that database and making sure that there's both size and quality is that you want to make sure the best approach to lead generation is to set up a model that you systematically execute. Systematically execute basically means automating. Okay, so automate your process to build your database with the most valuable leads, the highest quality leads that you have the deepest relationships with. And I'm going to venture to say that those probably start with phone calls, and that's something that we can go ahead and help you out with. So again, thank you very much. Have a great day.